Kung bibigyan ka ng 1 million pesos ngayon, mas yayaman ka ba? Or mauubos lang din? Most people think the problem is kulang ako ng pera. Pero billionaires would say, the real problem is your system. Kasi ang funny, billionaire advice is almost always boring. Build skills, control lifestyle, protect downside, buy assets, play long-term, walang secret coin, walang overnight. Pero boring is exactly why it works, dahil it compounds. So in this video, I'll share the most common financial rules billionaires live by, and I'll translate it into Pinoy practical steps kahit empleyado ka, student, OFW, or small business owner. And stay until the end kasi bibigyan ka namin ng billionaire-style starter system. Simple checklist you can apply this week. If this helps, hit me yung like button para small support lang. Then comment extra income and I'll reply with the checklist and para makita namin na maraming interested sa mga ganitong topic. Ito yung dahilan bakit maraming tao hindi yumayaman kahit ang dami ng financial tips online. Kasi gusto nila ng exciting, yung tipong quick wins, secret strategy, guaranteed returns, overnight income. Pero yung mga billionaires, they don't play that game. Billionaire advice is boring because it is built on compounding, meaning maliit na tama paulit-ulit. Simple systems, pero long-term. May discipline at walang hype. So clear natin, walang secret coin, walang shortcut na safe, walang overnight wealth na consistent. Ang meron, sistema, time, at disiplina. And that's good news, kasi kung boring yung results, ibig sabihin, kaya mo tong gawin. Rule number 1, na halos lahat ng billionaires inuulit. Build skills first. Kasi bago sila yumaman sa investments, yumaman muna sila sa earning power. Real talk, kung maliit ang income mo, kahit anong tipid mo, limitado pa. Fastest way to level up your finances is increase what you can earn. Anong skills ang high value kahit sa Pilipinas? Sales, closing, communication and writing, tech or data skills, basic business fundamentals, freelancing skills, editing, design, automation, and here's the simple action. 30 minutes a day, hindi kailangan ng 3 hours agad. 30 minutes daily for 6 months, yan kaysa random motivation burst. Because your skill is the only asset that survives inflation, survives layoffs, survives market crashes. Rule number 2, focus long enough to win. Billionaires don't win dahil mas busy sila. They win because they commit. Most people, they start a business today, switch next week. Try mo yung keep crypto next month. Then back to new idea na naman. Walang compounding kapag palipat-lipat. So the billionaire move is simple. Pick one path, stay long enough. The practical version, give yourself 90 days sa isang direction lang. Isang topic, one skill, one business model, and one content theme. Because mastery creates leverage, and leverage creates money. So if you want a powerful, less options, and more commitment. Rule number 3, protect downside first. Billionaires are not reckless gamblers. They take risks, yes, pero hindi nila tinataya yung survival nila. Kasi kapag wala kang safety net, you make desperate decisions. Uutang ka sa mas mataas na interest. Magbebenta ka ng investment at the worst time. Papasok ka sa scam kasi kailangan mong kumita. So the Pinoy version nito is simple. Build your buffer. At least 3 to 6 months emergency fund. Hindi para yumaman agad, kundi para hindi ka mabasag kapag may crisis. And second part, pay high interest that early. Because that interest is literally negative compounding. Remember mo, you don't build wealth by being brave. You build wealth by being unbreakable. Rule number 4, own assets that compound. Ito yung malaking difference eh. Employees earn income. Owners earn income plus growth. Billionaires got rich through ownership. Businesses, equity, assets na nag-grow and produce cash flow. Now, Pinoy version, hindi mo kailangan malaking capital agad. Start with what is accessible. Small investing tulad ng index-style funds were available. A side business na may sistema, digital products, templates, services, tools. Later on, real estate if feasible or kaya na. Key mindset shift. Instead of anong bibilhin ko, tanong mo, anong asset ang mabibili ko? Because assets compound, gadgets depreciate. Rule number 5, keep fixed costs low. Ito yung silent killer ng wealth, lifestyle creep. You earn more, then you upgrade everything. Rent, gadgets, subscriptions, deserve ko to spending. So kahit tumaas ang income mo, wala ka pa ring freedom. Billionaires, surprisingly, many of them stay simple compared to what they can afford because they understand freedom comes from low obligations. Pinoy practical rule. When income increases, gawin mo to instead. Increase mo yung savings and then invest ka muna. Build buffer. Then, lifestyle if you want. Kasi kung una mong i-upgrade yung lifestyle, you lock yourself into expensive habits. Remember, low fixed costs, mas mataas yung peace mo. Mas mataas yung peace, mas better yung decisions. Rule number 6. Use leverage safely. Leverage means you can multiply results without multiplying effort. Billionaires use leverage in many forms. People, capital, distribution, technology. Pero ito yung important. They don't use leverage habang magulo pa ang system. Because leverage amplifies. If you have chaos, leverage makes it worse. If you have a system, leverage makes it powerful. So Pinoy safe leverage, start here. Templates, automation, simple step-by-step process. AI tools to speed up work. Tapos later, hiring, borrowing for business, pero dapat careful. Scaling operations, rule of thumb, document first, scale second. Rule number 7, think in decades, not weeks. Most people want quick money. Billionaires want sure money over time. That's why they love compounding. Consistent investing, consistent business building, consistent skill growth. Small actions done monthly for years is equals to huge gap. Rule number 8, avoid stupid mistakes. This is underrated. A lot of wealth is created by simply not losing. Pinoy do not do list, scams and guaranteed returns, high risk, high interest debt, lifestyle debt, cars, gadgets on installment, investing without understanding, panic selling. Remember, you don't need genius strategies. You need fewer dumb mistakes. Rule number 9, environment matters. Billionaires don't just rely on willpower. They design their environment. They surround themselves with people who talk about business, investing, creating value, long-term thinking, because your circle sets your standard. Kaya kung gusto mo rin ng mga ganyang topic, mag-subscribe ka dito sa channel ng Phil Mentors. Like mo na rin yung video natin, okay? And comment down below kung ano yung mga topic na gusto mo. Halimbawa, investing, comment investing. Or extra income, comment extra income. Para makita namin na marami yung interesado sa mga ganyan topic at gagawa natin ng libreng video. Rule number 10, simple systems beat motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Systems are reliable. So automate what you can. Auto-save every payday. Auto-invest monthly. Bills on schedule. Checklist for spending. Because when your life runs on systems, you don't need to feel inspired to make good decisions. Okay. Ito na yung billionaire style starter system. Simple lang, pero sobrang effective kapag ginagawa weekly. Step 1, track spending mo for 7 days. Hindi para mag-guilty, para maging aware. Number 2, build your emergency buffer. Target ka ng 3 to 6 months, one paycheck at a time. Step 3, kill high interest debt because that's negative compounding. Step 4, invest monthly. Kahit maliit, consistency beats timing. Step 5, build one high-income skill. 30 minutes a day or daily. Step 6, create one ownership asset. Side hustle, digital product, or anything that can scale. That's it. Hindi sexy, but it compounds. Now, if you want the templates and tools to make this easier, budget tracker, starter checklist, and the Filipino Wealth Starter Kit, join ka na sa free online community for Filipinos. Visit mo lang philmentors.com/free. And if this video helped you, hit mo yung like button and comment extra income or investing kung alin dyan yung mga gusto mo pang gawin namin content. See you on the next video and inside the free online community. Visit philmentors.com/free.